Good morning, everyone. Today in this session, I am going to teach you about the chapter 1 of class 6 English literature, that is who did Patrick's homework. Before going to study about the chapter, we have to learn some word meanings that are given here. That is mm, grabbed means take away, ignore ignoramus मीन्स एन ignorant person जो ज़्यादातर कामों को इग्नोर करता है या जो वैसे इंसान जो इग्नोर सब करने में जो आगे रहता है उसको बोलते हैं ignoramus. yelled, cried चिल्लाने को बोलते हैं. shrieked ये सब मतलब जो जोर से चिल्लाते हैं उसको बोला जाता है. pursed his lips मतलब फुसफुसाना बुदबुदाना जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं वो होता है. amazed आश्चर्यचकित होना. प्रेज एप्लॉज प्रशंसा करना. स्लीली सीक्रेटली मतलब चुपचाप चले जाना कहीं से. पफ्ड सूजना. ब्लरी हेजी या वाटरी यानी ये वैसे सिचुएशंस होते हैं जहाँ पे इंसानों को ठीक से दिखता नहीं है. कोरस वैसे काम जो रोज किए जाने वाले हो वैसे कामों को कोरस बोलते हैं. अब जब हम चैप्टर्स की बात करेंगे तो वहाँ पे देखेंगे कि यहाँ पे दो चीज़ें जो हमें पढ़नी है. एक तो चैप्टर का इंट्रोडक्शन, सेकेंड थिंग इज द समरी ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. तो लेट मी टॉक अबाउट द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द चैप्टर. दैट इज द पैट्रिक इज अ पर्सन हु इज केयरलेस about his studies and never does his homework. His teacher always scolds him and warns him, but he takes keen इंटरेस्ट इन गेम्स. कहता है कि पैट्रिक एक ऐसा बच्चा था जिन्होंने जिसको पढ़ने की बिल्कुल इच्छा नहीं थी और वो कभी होमवर्क करता ही नहीं था. ऑल्दो हिज टीचर ऑलवेज ट्राई टू मेक हिम लर्न दैट यू शुड do your homework or you should be careful for your studies, but he never show any interest other than he always interested in playing games. By luck he saved an elf who promises to do his homework. One day what happens that he saved a life of an elf who promised to do his homework, but he needs Patrick guidance. He makes the boy to form the habit of hard working and doing his homework in his vacation. When the elf started working for him, then he don't know anything about the human behavior or human activity or human studies. Although he had put an habit to the Patrick to do hard work and to do his homework. Now that we'll study about the summary, and that summary is Patrick took little interest in learning his lessons and never did his homework. मतलब बहुत ही कम ध्यान देता था अपने पढ़ने पे और वो कभी होमवर्क करता नहीं था. As took keen interest in games. He played baseball, basketball, and video games, especially the video games is Nintendo, that is his favorite. He did not need his teacher. He did not heed his teacher's warning, heard his teacher's warning, and he did what he liked. कहता है कि पढ़ने में बिल्कुल इच्छा न कर रखने वाला ये लड़का हमेशा खेलने पर ध्यान देता था. टीचर्स की जो भी वार्निंग होती वो उसको छोड़ देता, उस पर ध्यान न देता. One day he found his cat playing with a doll which he snatched it. Surprisingly, he found it a small-sized man wearing old-fashioned breeches and a witch tall hat. One day what happens ki his cat was playing with he saw his cat playing with a doll. Surprisingly, when he snatched that doll, he found that it was not a doll but a man of a teenage size. That is an elf. and he was wearing a old-fashioned trouser and a witch's towel. Witch's towel means काले रंग की जो लंबी सी टोपी होती है उसको विचेज टॉल बोलते हैं, विचेज हैट बोलते हैं, जो ये इसने पहन रखा था. It was an elf who wanted to be saved from the cat, and in favor it will grant a wish. Patrick was felt glad and lucky and decided to ask him to do all his homework till the end of the uh, term, that is 35 days. And this 35 days term was his vacation, in which he wanted all his homework that he wanted to be completed. That is why he saved his life, elf life, and grant a promise which he has been promised that he will make his all the task. But he had not read the subjects, though taught at school. He needed Patrick's help in every subject to do his homework. He asked the boy to bring a dictionary, look up the difficult words in it, study the chapter for him. And these are some problems which the elf had found for himself. कहने का मतलब ये कि एल्फ पढ़ना लिखना जानता नहीं था, ह्यूमन सब्जेक्ट्स के बारे में कभी उसने पढ़ा नहीं था. दैट इज वाई ही नीडेड हेल्प इन एवरी सब्जेक्ट and for every word, and he put the Patrick on the work to bring back the dictionaries, to look for the words, study the learn the speak out the words, and do the calculation which help the elf. While doing math, he needed Patrick's guidance to doing adds, subtracts and division. यहाँ तक कि मैथ के कैलकुलेशन करने में भी उसको पैट्रिक की जरूरत पड़ती, किसी भी तरीके के कैलकुलेशन के लिए, इवन फॉर द एडिशन, सब्सट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन. द टेबल्स आर बियॉन्ड हिज अंडरस्टैंडिंग. Table that we learn in the junior classes, it is also beyond the Patrick's the elf understandings, and he knew nothing about the human history. He asked Patrick to bring help books from the library and read out certain pages. Everything in every subject, the elf need the Patrick's help. That is why while doing the calculation he needed help of the Patrick's. While doing the history he brings the Patrick call the Patrick help and ask him to bring the book from the library and read out the certain pages so that he could solve that question. As the matter of fact, Patrick stayed up right to study and help. Stayed up nights to study and help the elf doing his homework. Patrick was busy working harder. Finally, the homework was completed and submitted, and the elf slipped out the back door. What happened at the end that, in fact, the Patrick stayed up the nights, मतलब वो रात भर जगता था ताकि so that he can help the elf in his homework, and he was busy in working harder for his homework. Finally, the homework was completed and submitted to the school. And when his homework was completed, then the elf was slipped out, means he had went away secretly. No one had seen him. Although the Patrick got A's in his every subject, his classmates were amazed, because one who had never done his homework was completed in this term, and his teacher was full of praise. He was admiring to the Patrick for his hard working and for his homework. His parents wondered at the change in him. His parents were also wondered about his behavior, and whatever the changes have been in the Patrick, he became the model boy who was cheerful, polite, and who kept his room clean. Now the Patrick became the model boy for the whole society and for his classmates working his who was working for his homework, who was doing his all cleaning work, and he was a cheerful and a polite boy now. Patrick innocently thought that he had made little Elf do all his homework, but truly speaking, he had done it himself. The writer is saying about this Patrick is that Patrick was thinking that he has done everything for he has made that elf done everything, but the secret behind it was that he has done all his hard work and all he has maintained all his homework, and he has done all his homework. This was the end of the chapter, and this is what you have in your chapter number 1. If anybody have any doubt, you can contact to your office, school office website, where you can send videos and ask any question. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe and stay at home. Thank you.